Hello everyone, welcome to Mastering Matplotlib 3 by Pact Publishing. I am Amaya Nayak and I have been programming in Python and building data visualizations using Matplotlib for a number of years now. I am currently a data science consultant. You already know the basics of data visualizations with Matplotlib. But it is not enough. You want to be able to create advanced level of data visualizations that showcases the insights from the data sets. This course will provide you that deep dive into the latest version of Matplotlib 3 in a step-by-step and engaging manner. Through this course, you will master the advanced concepts of Matplotlib and you will be able to tackle any data visualization project at ease. By the end of this course, you will be able to hone your expertise and master the data visualizations using the full potential of Matplotlib 3. To follow along with this course, you should have prior knowledge of Python programming language. You should have Python 3 installed on your computer. You should have Python modules Matplotlib 3, Pandas, Seaborn, and NumPy installed as well. In the first section, you will learn to visualize data using pyplot and plot functions, and also learn to create complex subplots and troubleshoot when running into issues. In the second section, you will learn to build interactive plots with Matplotlib 3 to understand and implement event handling, GUI widgets, and learn how to turn interactive plots into videos. In the third section, you will learn to customize your plots and understand how Matplotlib color customizations work with layouts, tweak configuration files, and customize style sheets. In section 4, you will learn how to draw on plots ranging from putting lines, adding text, drawing different shapes, and annotations. In section 5, you will learn to draw special-purpose advanced plots like non-Cartesian plots, vector fields, violent graphs, etc., and learn to visualize both ordinal and tabular data. In section 6, you will learn to draw 3D and geographical plots with Matplotlib. In section 7, you will learn to create beautiful data visualizations with Seaborn module. This course is for Python programmers, data scientists, data analysts, and professionals who know basic Python and data visualizations and want to enhance their data visualization skills with Matplotlib 3. Let's jump in right away and start creating plots using Matplotlib 3.